In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently send multiple documents using the bulk send feature in DocuSign. If you've ever needed to send the same document to numerous recipients but found the process tedious, you're in the right place. This feature will help streamline your workflow and save you a great deal of time. To begin, the first step is to open Google Chrome and log in to your DocuSign account. If you don't have an account yet, DocuSign offers a seamless registration process. Logging in can be easily done by entering your credentials at the prompt. It's a good idea to double check your login details if you encounter any trouble accessing your account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the dashboard where you'll find various tools and features. Among them is the bulk send feature, which we're focusing on today. This function is specifically designed for sending documents to multiple recipients quickly and efficiently. It's an incredibly handy tool for businesses and individuals who need to manage a large volume of documents. Now let's move on to uploading a CSV file. This file will contain all your recipient details, including their contact information. Preparing your CSV file ahead of time will make the process smoother and more organized. Ensure your CSV file is properly formatted with the correct headers, such as names and email addresses. You might want to use spreadsheet software like Excel to prepare this file, which you can easily save as a CSV file type. After uploading the CSV file, the next step is to upload the document you wish to send. This can be any document you regularly use in your dealings, or alternatively, you can opt to select a template you've created or saved previously. Templates are particularly useful if you frequently send out the same type of document, as it minimizes the amount of preparation needed each time. Now on to the final part, mapping the CSV data to recipient fields. This step is crucial as it ensures each recipient receives a personalized experience. DocuSign allows you to match each column of your CSV file with the corresponding fields in your document. This ensures that each person's name, email address, and any other relevant information are correctly entered into the document. Once you've carefully mapped all the fields, you're ready to send the envelopes in bulk. The bulk send feature performs the task of delivering the documents to each recipient's inbox, significantly reducing the hassle of sending them one by one. Keep an eye on the status of your documents to ensure they're received and signed. And that's it. Using bulk send in DocuSign not only saves time, but also enhances the overall workflow by automating repetitive tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy sending!